Love, love, love. What are you doing? People in divine bodies. You are all in your own affairs. Love, love, love. What nonsense to live in a world of lies, corruption, power. Wake up, fools, and rejoice. Live and let others live. Why can't you satisfy yourselves with blood? Why do you kill everyone and everything around you? Why do you allow yourselves to harm brothers and sisters? Your hearts have turned into murderers of humanity on earth. We are all here for life, for development, for progress, for the universal love of humanity. Wake up, open your hearts. Stop the killings. Stop the idiocy. Enough. Stop the wars around. Say no to the system that has raised insignificance in you. Open your eyes. Open your ears. Open your divine abilities within yourself. Your paradise. Your love. We are all one. We are one. Love. Love. Love.